Hello, I have two children. This is Miss Marija, and we're talking about numbers. I have some counters here. I have exactly 10 counters, and I expect you to have 10 counters or small toys ready, because we're going to see which pairs of numbers make 10. I also have a piece of paper and a pen. You can use a pencil, because now we're going to make two groups of numbers. In one group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 counters. So in this group, I have 10 counters. I will write 10. And in this other group, I have 0 counters. So we can write 10 plus 0 makes 10. We're going to make 10 in a lot of different ways. Now, I'm going to take one counter out. So that means that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters. So I'm going to write 9 in this group. And in this other group, I have one counter. And that makes 10 again. So now I'm going to put 2 counters here. That means I have how many counters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 counters in this group. And there are 2 counters in this group. And altogether that makes 10. So now if we put 3 counters here, now that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 counters here. So 7 plus 3 again makes 10. Now if we put 4 counters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counters here. And we can write 6 plus 4 makes 10. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters here. And that's another pair of numbers. Oh, sorry. It's better to use a pencil because then you can erase. So 5 plus 5 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. And that is the last pair of numbers that we have, because now we can just repeat. If we put 6 counters here, that means 4 plus 6 makes 10 again. We are actually doing the same thing that we did here, only the other way around. There are 4 here and there are 6 here. So again, it makes 10. Also, if we put 7 counters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are left with 3 counters here, that means we have 3 plus 7. Again, it makes 10. Now, if we do the same thing again, 1, 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, 2 plus 8 makes 10. And again, one more counter goes to this group, 1 counter in this group, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 makes 10 again. And again, we go back to 10. We will have 0 counters here. And we will have 10 counters here. And all together, we will have 10 counters. So these are the pairs of numbers that make 10. And that's it for this time. Bye-bye.